Hey kids, Uncle Gary the T-Rex here, and I've got a dynamite story to tell you tonight. It's all about bravery, friendship, and some super cool dinosaur action. So snuggle up and let's dive into our adventure in Dino Heroes, the epic rescue adventure. It was a sunny day in Dino Land, and I, Uncle Gary the T-Rex, was munching on some delicious jungle leaves when I heard a tiny roar. It was Dino the Dino, my best dino buddy. He scampered up, his little tail wagging with excitement. Uncle Gary, we need to help, he chirped. And who could resist that face? Dino told me that our friend, Giraffe Boy, got captured by the sneaky hyena Bob. Oh no, we couldn't let that happen. So we decided to embark on a rescue mission, and guess what? We had a secret weapon, Whiskers the cat, the sneakiest, smartest cat in all of Dino Land. We trekked through the thick, twisty jungle, dodging muddy puddles and leaping over fallen logs. Whiskers led the way with her incredible sense of smell, and soon we heard something. It was Giraffe Boy, calling for help. As we approached the dark cave where Hyena Bob had hidden Giraffe Boy, we had to be super sneaky. Whiskers gave us a plan. I'll distract Hyena Bob with my amazing cat dance, and you guys sneak in and free Giraffe Boy, she whispered. And that's just what we did. As Whiskers started her dance, Hyena Bob was so amazed he didn't notice us at all. Dino and I tiptoed into the cave. Giraffe Boy was there, looking sad but hopeful. "We're here to save you," I roared softly. His face lit up with joy. We quickly untied Giraffe Boy and sneaked out of the cave. Just as Hyena Bob realized what was happening, we were already racing back to the safety of our jungle home. And let me tell you, kids, we ran fast. Even faster than I've ever run before. Back in Dino Land, everyone cheered for our brave rescue. Giraffe Boy was safe, all thanks to teamwork and courage. We celebrated with a big jungle feast. And guess who got the first slice of the giant watermelon? Yep, Whiskers the cat, our hero of the day. So, what did we learn from our adventure? That no matter how big or small you are, you can be a hero too. Just like Dino, Whiskers, and me, Uncle Gary. Now it's time to dream about your own adventures. Good night, brave little ones. And remember, be kind, be courageous, and roar like a dino hero. See you next time for another exciting bedtime story.